Acharya World-Class Education.
Greetings to all. I am Adi from grade 8. Acharya Chesambalam Acharya World-Class Education. Prepare to achieve. Now I am going to read science book record. Gold, silver, tin, iron, rest, monster, highly, zinc, butter, shiny, grease, applied, oxygen, copper, mercury, bismuth, tungsten, sulfur, solution, reactivity, sulfur, reactivity, temperature, electricity, displacement, solution, useful, kerosene, bismuth, West Bengal, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, diesel, lubricating oil, Godavari, fuel, petroleum, diesel, consumption, sunlight, railway engine.